Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now we are going to see Maruthi Suzuki Electrical and Electronic Engineering for BTech MTech job opportunities from Maruti Suzuki. So this will be valid up to 30th June. Within 2 days it's going to be ended. Maruti Suzuki, one of the leading company in the e-manufacturing vehicles, and the branch passed out 2020 passed out with the experience of 12 months up to 22 months. So you should be experienced with the 2 years. It will be helpful for you. The passed out batch will be 2022. And the eligibility criteria we are going to see now. Work experience 2 years, and the last date will be John will be 30th June, and degree will be B, BTech, MTech regularly and full time only. Past the 2020 they have mentioned strongly. Branches electrical and electronical. Mark percentage 65 percentage all through the academics, and colleges will be AICT approved huge recognized college. Age between 21 to 29. So this is all the eligible criteria restriction they are mentioning. Following would not be eligible. Part-time should not be eligible. Candidate with job change will not be considered. Candidate with no experience or freshers currently unemployed not considered. Candidate with color blindness and vision useless not selected. Candidate working with MLSA, vendor, Denlor, VJ group companies are not eligible for this job. This is all they mentioned here. And the selection process will be online test, technical aptitude, psychometric, plus personal interview, HR interview, offer joining letter. The designation will be assistant manager AM. Function will be engineering, RT vertical, location Rodik and Gurkam, and composition 8 LPA to 10 LPA they are mentioned. So it is a mass hiring for 2022 with 1 year or 2 year experience. You may get it up to 8 LPA in electrical and manufacturing field. In core field, it will be very good opportunity for everyone. And the role requirement informative system, telematic, powertrain electronic component, battery management system, electronic platform, design and development, hardware, control development using model based design, hybrid and electronic vehicle system and the control system. So this all the eligible criteria, and Maruti Suzuki started. So now we are going to go for registration process. So watch the video till end. Now will be basic detail they are asking: first name, middle name, last name, and initial should come at last. Mail experience should be minimum 2 years. So what is the starting of your working and ending of your working for 2 years, and city, phone number, current city, gender, male or female, and date of birth, and the age you should be about 21. So you just remember you should be about 21 to 29 only. Notice period they are mentioned. Parent contact detail, parent name, branch study, which mechanical or any department you have studied, just want to mention here. UNA number not applicable means you just want to give tick mark, no problem. PAN number must. Current address, and I have been employed at any between the education job, you just want to give no. So remember, if yes means please specify the reason they are asking. Any bond outstanding loan with the present employers, if you are having any loan in the current company and it will be continue means you just want to give yes, otherwise if you are not any loan means no, you just want to give. Have you ever been tried convinced by court law? If you are having any criminal justice and if you are having any FIR copy in your name in court or any other apart from that, it will be invalid. So you just want to give no. So have you previously been interviewed as MLSI? So have you been interviewed in Maruti Suzuki before 6 months or 1 year means you just give yes means you know get another platform like if yes please mention which date they will ask. If you mention no means nothing won't be there. Upload your photograph. You just want to upload your photo with white background. 10th qualification. So it should be the 10th qualification, school name, address, and major area which you are in physics, maths. Like that, you just want to give percentage. And 12th will be if you are done means you just want to click OK. Otherwise, if you are not done directly, diploma means no problem. So just want to qualification physics, chemistry, maths, or name of the university board. Which board university? State board means state board you can give. School name or you can give, and which is it is biomax or mathematics group, computer science, which you have mentioned. You just want to mention starting date from if you are from finished it 27 to passed out means just want to give 2016 to 2017 like that only before year and your passed out year like that only you should give. Don't give both years same, it will be valid and it will be invalid. So please remember, sorry guys for tongue mistake. And mark and percentage they asked. If you are not done diploma, just directly give this one. Graduation qualification BE, BTech, which one? University, which university? Name, address, and major study start from 4 years. You just want to give. After filling this postgraduate, you are not done when if you give any work experience. Start with the present work employee, which company was started. Just want to give the number, company details, and the gross CTC. What is the overall cities per year, and MLSA, everything you just want to give. After you just want to declare and click here agree and submit it. This is all the process for registering process. While filling in this, if you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. I will clarify your doubt. If you have friends from any core department, they are trying electrical and electronic branches only, they are saying, but in apply for mechanical, civil, and metallurgy, mechatronics, so many opportunities they are opened here. So if you have done any qualification in hybrid models, or it will be helpful for any certification with a 2 year experience. So just forward to this video. It will be helpful for them only. It will be useful for them to get a good name. Thanks for watching this channel. Any doubt, comment me in the comment section.